Fun Kids TV, yeah!
This is a fork. 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 This is a spoon. 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 This is a plate. 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 This is a knife. 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 This is a glass. 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 This is a strainer. 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 This is a pan. 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 This is a pressure cooker. Pressure cooker. Pressure cooker. This is a rolling pin. Rolling pin. Rolling pin. This is a pot. 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 This is a bowl. 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 This is a saucepan. 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 This is a jug. 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 This is a tray. 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 This is a cup. 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 This is a kettle. 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 This is a cutting board. Cutting board. Cutting board. This is a grater. 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 This is a scissor. 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 This is a peeler. 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 This is a ladle. 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 This is a juicer. 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 This is a microwave. 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 This is a toaster. 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 This is a food turner. Food turner. Food turner. This is a spatula. 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 This is a skimmer. 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 This is a mortar and pestle. Mortar and pestle. Mortar and pestle.
Fun Kids TV. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.